Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Let's move on. Next one is 20. Alright, we get Fig Berry, 24 player, Gals owners, and enjoy your winnings. By the way, my thumbs up as well, so good luck with my colleague. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mario. And I'm gonna be your host here for the session. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to you the best of luck. Hi, Mario. What's up, Charles? Leslie. So, please be true in other words. I love you. Products in 2 right there, ladies and gentlemen. Monster Mash. Wow. That's the first one, ladies and gentlemen. Monster Mash with the 4X. Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Okay. Okay, look at this. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Alright, first of all, by the way, take a look here. This is the plasma field. Everything that goes through it gets multiplied by 4, ladies and gentlemen. Which is quite cool, right? Good luck, everybody. 4X in it. Oh, 24X, ladies and gentlemen. That's 6. 24X. Well, 3x cubed plus the constant 32 and 8. That's 40. 100. Wait, what? Oh, it's a 6x. That's a 240. I was blinded by your greatness. I forgot how to count, my dude. 240x. Congratulations. 1,618 minutes. Compliments, yeah. John at the top with 11,514 years. Congratulations, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we continue with the game. Thank you. It's just, dude forgot how to count. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah.
Here in Texas, we have got 700 producers. John, first one, Mr. Ding Ding, antagen äger is on fed. Jag syns ju på sin ju väl, syns jag. Last thing now, back to close. Three-axel hot spot, 3 and 2 axles on fireball. John in first place, Addy was second, and KK is on third. Now betting time, enjoy and get prepared for the next round. Love it. Bum, bum, bum. Final 3, 2, 1, and now back to Clay's. Good luck.
Yeah, that's a leaf there, ladies and gentlemen. That's a leaf. 349 winners there. Kalim, AMS, Mampri, Jack and Baxter, 5 winners on the scoreboard there. And let's go. Oh, the highest like you had on the hot spot, 2,500. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's really nice there. Nice to hear that. Nice to see that. German, no German. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? No Deutsch. Only English. Ingliano only. So let's see. Ooh, that fireball. Come on, give us that fireball with the 4x. That would be cool. Like stand. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome! Nice! Fireball! Yeah, partner. That's a 4x updated max multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. 2000x. 2000x. Let's go. Boom. Drop it. What was that? What was that? What? Yes, it dropped. And let's see what we got. Did anybody saw what it was? That's a 500? That's a 500! That's a 500! Awesome! Let's go back to the wheel. 1,115,000 winners. Bruno, BS Big, Gibberish, Marcelosa, Fabulous. Top winner 30k. Oh, nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. And as well, good morning there, everyone. Welcome to the Bat Cave. Welcome to the Lightning Storm. The Fat Batman Aldous is here. Chubbylicious is here. Welcome to the newcomers as well. Check out all the features that we have. We got that 500x there. Nice. All this full on fire. Now you are on full on fire. Like as well, ladies and gentlemen, please be careful. Please be careful. Remember, you are gambling.
That's a leaf. Here we go. Gambler, big win out of Gura. Top winners on the show. And congratulations to the winners, guys. Next spin. Here it is. Good luck. All right, guys. Let's spin this wheel and see what we got on the show. Here we go. Is the banjo in the room with us? No. Let's leave. Banjo, leave. Look, I finally got Fireball after almost 40 minutes of being in this room. 3 Fireball. Fireball! Let me drop the Fireball. 500x is max. Look, I actually got a big win on Fireball. Guys, I never get the red on Fireball. Oh, I got the max. Look, I got the 500x. It's a miracle. I've never gotten the 500x ever. Whoa, Benjo in, guys. Let's go. Woo!
We got 645 winners in total. John, 2,800, top winner. Betting 10. Right. Go. When did that 120x Fireball happen? I just want to understand. Should I notify them or no? Because like that definitely happened during the hour session. He must have notified people about it. No. No. Guys, I'd love to update on the 30x, but I don't have any update for now. Guys, do you still care about it? Look, we got a 15x Fireball here. 15x. Wait, Rocky music, no? We got Rocky music, guys. Let's go. Woo. Okay, guys, I'll see you here. Bam. Okay, everything should be red, right? Everything is red. The whole thing is red, dude. Let's go. Oh boy. Okay, it's a red. What is it? Let's see. 750x? Yes, sir. It's a 750x fireball, everybody. Woo! Let's go. 700, where is 27,000 the full? Sanodanka. Okay, here we go. All right.
You guys know what I'm talking about. Wait. Anything's fine for me. 21, 21, 21. That's the one, guys, with the battery charger fabulous. Guys, I'm gonna give you money to buy some quack palappo, fabulous palalo, chicharon hadogo. So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Maximum of the initial 100, maximum we have 500 now. Let's go, guys. Are you excited? I hope you do. Oh no! Oh no! It's real! Filipino kids, they make those videos. Oh no, it's Becky, it's real! Guys, not a 10. Right at behind 50, not on 50. Let's see for global multiplayer we can hit 1,000. Okay, we had to see 75, 15 to get a 500. Guys, I don't want to see 15. Please, please. Players are happy. Host is happy as well. That's some 500s, guys. Congratulations to all the winners. Top 5, keep it up. And total winners, guys, 1,097. And Paul, how we got 1,000, man? Guys, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's focus on game, guys. We're good to go. Salamat po. Let's go. All right, guys, we're good to go. You're welcome, Swap and Gold. Love you to Pami. Mahal kita all my Filipinos. Where is my love, Kate? Hey, Kate, you still online? I think she went to meet her boyfriend. Sorry, ex-boyfriend, guys.
Alrighty, guys, betting time. So, let's go 7x battery charger. Let's go, guys. Beautiful. Now, we got a 700x up top. We can get even 1400x. We start with a 280x. How about that? Okay, here we go. Skip. Okay, please, can we skip 14, please? 2x global. How about that? Oh, okay, 70. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, that's a skip. Now 35 up next. Not really. Okay, good. Okay, that's pretty good. 105x. No, okay. 21x. Let's skip that, please. For the love of it. Let's go. 210x. Skip. Now let's skip the 49. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We got us. Oh my. Oh, 700x. Thank you very much. 700x battery charger. Oh. 800 winners. 23,000 full numbered player. Oh boy, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
I can't complain. Guys, wait. Forward up with the previous one. Come on, Mas, you can do it, man. You can do it. We got it, guys. We got it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 16th segment, guys. And it's a hotspot to tennis. Oh my KFC. Now you guys won't ask over the last fireball with the 7x. In that way, I'm super happy, guys. Yes, flabbergasted because of the tennis. Right At maximum Monty, we have 1,000 X players. Last week is still, we have 108 sick, and you have to pick one for yourself. Good luck. Right, players. I think Cage should miss this one as well. The time is over, players. It's time to win the Monty prize. Starting up with 30s, 50s, 70s, 100. Already it's a big profit. 150s and 200s. We have 400, 500,000. That's max. And here we have a 3x3. Let's see where it's going to stop, players. Maybe cool if we get a 2,000. Oh man, okay, that specific spot gave a 400, guys. Congrats, everybody. Let's see how many of you got 1,500, 400s. Guys, you can find lots of balloons. 1,170 with a star 5. Keep it up, and newcomers, please go for your bets. I hope you guys won't talk over the last fireball with 7x, guys. That's the only reason I gave this 10x. Let's go. You're welcome, Lady B. Bingo.
16, 20x, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Big. Look at this rollbar going crazy up the back of this 20x, ladies and gentlemen. All right, check this out. Oh, and it's double. And it's double 2,000x, 2 of them, ladies and gentlemen. 2,000x. 2,000x. Yo, look at this. It's not electricity in those coils anymore. It's fire. You see that? Some warlocks casting spells, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, 2,000x, they took pounds. Twice. All right, baby. These 2,000x's. Look at all those zeros. Double area. Come on, dude. All right. 600, 400, 280, and 200. Dude. Compliments, everybody. 956 winners. Mr. Sam at the top of the 5,337. You're the top win, bam. Compliments, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Lovely. Enjoy. And there is the giant Christmas tree now. Bro, I didn't know they sounded like fireballs coming down from the sky, dude. You know, 2,000x Rosalito. 15x and 7. It's a sync? Like, what? So why would somebody say on La Boom Mo?
Brady, can we get just a 50x? 50x is good. 50x is good. Come on, give us a 50x. Please. Thank you. That's good. It's pretty okay. Well, global multi we brand pretty sad. It's going to be 100x. But anyway, 50x is 50x. It's better than 7x, 25, 15, or 30x. Well done! 600, 73 weeks enjoyed. It's pretty okay. 50x is good. It's good. Oh, wow. Wow, it's gonna be 2,500x. Man, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know. This session is one of the best sessions I had. 2,500x. Decision time is over. Out to pick. Revealing from the low to the high. 75x, 125x, 175x, 250x, 375x, 500s, thousands, 1,250, and a beautiful 2,500x. Ooh, okay. Extra 2,000, extra 250. Oh man, I'm just done. I'm just
still needed for this one. 10x reach room battery. Yo, 1112 winners with a 10x reach room. Last inch. On Lightning Storm wheel, we got 19 numbers, 20 numbers, 19 leaves. Yeah, 5 different bonus games. Exactly, big bets, big wins, right? Stay safe though. 5x, 3x on number 10. All right, nice. Had to keep the silence there a little bit. All right, people, hit my music. Feels nice. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the lowest multi you can get is a 30. And that is... Okay, here we go, guys. First, second, and third strike. You got this hand before time is up. Or it's going to be automatically chosen. It could be global multi as well. Let's see what happens. It's a global multi as well. Who's that 5x? Guys, are you ready? Oh, first one. Ooh, juicy. Come on. Give it. Let's go. 600 for the first one. Love to see that. What about the second? $150 on the second. Okie dokie. And the last one, last but not least, third strike. What do we got? All right, well, there you go, guys. 135 for the third one. MVP, first pick, 600, baby. Oh, okay. Nice, right? Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Highlight for sure of the session. 600 on the first Lightning. Sweet victory. Oh, that was nice. Hit the spot. 12 for last games. Bonus games. Leaf streak's gone for the moment.
Actually, it's better than 10x or 5x either. But anyway, 75 is 75x. You know, it's good enough. And obviously, I want to see a higher multi, but I can't do nothing. We got a 594 racing joint. 75 is alright. Spinning time! I got new mouse pad. Yeah. And that's it. That's good. I took delivery before the war. Ooh. Dog the Explorer? Oh, yeah, that's me. How you doing? Oh, please? Please. Are you too fast for 10x or too slow? I don't understand. I told you I'm a queen of the lightning storm. 10x lightning storm, bro. We're gonna have fun over there. You ready? Let's go. No way, yo. Oh. I have no words, honestly. I'm speechless. 4,000x is the max multi. Imagine if we're gonna get a global multiplier on top. Man, I'm crossing my fingers for the best of the best. I want to see some juicy here. Ooh, shit. Decision time is over. Please global multi. Please global multiplier on top. Can we get it just nice winning? Yeah! 800x on the third one. How about that? Yeah! Okay, it's pretty nice. I love it. Okay. Oh, 680 winnings enjoyed. Let's bring that wheel. You're welcome. You're welcome. Honestly.
Left in this month, not even a week. All right, so 3x multipliers and company bonus rounds. Of course, we'd like to see that. And, all right, ladies and gentlemen. There's 1-to-1 payout, ladies and gentlemen. Exactly how we see it on the wheel. Yes. That's right. 1-to-1 payout, ladies and gentlemen, continues. And, next betting time is on its way. You can certainly place those bets. Use up model playoffs available. Hedge Chaser and Storm Chaser also available. All right. But, party just started. Party ain't stopping. Yes. Quite a long time we have to spend together. Which is not a bad thing, right? We get to know each other. Get to know each other quite well. Okay, what you got multiply for us this time? What you got? A little bit of 5x help there on Fireball and the main event Lightning Storm. All right, come on. Can we get that far? Can we get there? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, can I hear some emotions here? That is a beautiful 5x on top of the Lightning Storm. I mean, wow. Let's go. Guess who's back? It's me, ladies and gentlemen, again. How have you been? Yeah, it's not that long ago I saw you at the wheel, but now we already have the 5x on top of this whole thing. You know what that means, right? 2,000 on top there. Yeah, we got those 2x, 3x, and 5x as well. Lightning strikes 1 to 3. You gotta pick one of them, guys. We cannot pick multiple ones. We gotta pick one out of 1, 2, or 3. Well, the second one's still more popular than the other ones, but we start. Okay, guys, we love that. Look at that, 2x. So 4x is pretty much, not pretty much, but definitely possible. The lowest we can go is, well, you already can probably take a guess there. And come on. Woo! First one! How about that? 1,500x, guys. Time for the celebration for the first lightning strike. I mean, wow. Who would have thought, right? Yeah, we always are ready for some action. The next one, lightning strike number 2, is 175, ladies and gentlemen. 175 for the second one. Well, that's what happens when we get more multipliers on top, right? Yes, exactly. And this we're going to go with also beautiful of 200. Yes, we all together get 200 on the lightning strike number 3. Highest one, 1,500. Congratulations. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. 1,057 winners in this round. What do we got? 10,000 euros, number 1 payouts. I didn't see the player, didn't have time to do that, but what a round, ladies.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.